Is that the closest rugby ground to the Pacific Ocean? It could well be. I think it's about 20 metres at one point on the other side. It's home of the Kiama Knights, but it's also linked to a school. There's a few girls playing rugby there. But around here, beautiful landscape, ocean, and trees. The waves crashing in against the bay here at Kiama seafront. So that's the Pacific. You can see a rainbow in the sky if you look closely, and out there, somewhere along the line, somewhere over that rainbow, is New Zealand. It's out there. Just a wee walk around the seafront here at Kiama. It's an Aboriginal word, that, Kiama. Not sure what it means. Always can look it up. K-I-A-M-A, Kiama.